Hi there, business trailblazers. It's Angie Dobransky here, your partner for radical success. Let's talk about something we all face, overthinking. You know, that endless loop of analysis that keeps us stuck on even the smallest decisions. It's like trying to pick a restaurant on date night, only your business depends on it. Today, I'm sharing how to break free from analysis paralysis and start making quick decisions that drive big results. Now, I get it. Decisions can feel daunting. What if you make the wrong choice? But here's the good news. Perfection isn't the goal. Progress is. And that's where my favorite tool, the 70% rule, comes in. Here's the rule. If you have 70% of the information and it feels right, you're ready to decide. Waiting for 100% certainty, that's just procrastination in disguise. Most successful leaders don't wait for perfect clarity. They act on enough clarity. But not all decisions are created equal, right? So let's differentiate. High impact decisions like launching a new product or hiring key team members deserve more time and thought. Routine decisions like choosing a new office printer, quick and done. Here's a simple yet straightforward framework to help you make faster, smarter choices. First, define the decision. What's the goal? Next, assess impact. Is this high stakes or everyday business? And third, set a time limit. Whether it's 10 minutes or 10 days gives yourself a deadline to make a decision. By sticking to this process, you'll avoid the mental hamster wheel and keep your momentum going strong. Now, I know some decisions still feel overwhelming, and that's where I come in. If you're stuck on a tough choice, let's tackle it together. Sign up for my free coaching session, and I'll help you gain the clarity and confidence you need to move forward. And remember, overthinking keeps you in place. Decisive action moves you forward. You've got this, and I'm here to help. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Angie Dobransky, your partner for radical success. Here's to making bold decisions and creating radical success together. I'll see you soon.